Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to show you how you can extract particular pages from a PDF file. So it may happen that you have a PDF file of say 50 pages and you just want a few pages from within, that is say suppose from page 25 to page 27. So you want these three pages out of the entire PDF. For this there is a very simple procedure which can be done with various PDF viewers. So I'll be showing it to you with showing you all with two PDF viewers. One is the Adobe Acrobat Reader and the other one is the Google PDF viewer. So here I have a PDF file of 13 pages and I want to extract a few pages from within, for which I'll go to the File tab where I'll click on Print. When the print dialog box opens, you see an option to select the printer. So here I do have two printer options, but since I want to extract and not print, I'll select this option Microsoft Print to PDF. I'll select on it, which basically means that whichever pages you are selecting for printing, instead of they actually being printed, they'll be saved only as a PDF file. And your pages to print, I'll select the option of random custom pages, and here I'll give the page numbers. So you have various formats. Say suppose you want to extract a few pages from within, so you simply give the page numbers. So I'm giving 5 to 8. Basically I want 4 pages. Or else if you want only one single page, so you can just give that page number. Say I want page 9 only. Or even if you want a few discontinuous extractions, so say suppose you want from page 2 to 4 and then you want from page 8 to 10, without separately doing the same procedure twice, you can simply give a comma and then give 8 to 10. So this is how you can extract it. So for example, I'll show you all the three types. So first type is that I want a single page extraction, which is only of page 2. Then I give a comma and then I want an extraction from page 5 to 8, and then again I give a comma and I need the extraction from page 10 to 11. So you can see I want one page, that is page number 2, then I need 4 pages from page 5 to page 8, then again there is a break and then I need from page 10 to 11, which is again 2 pages. So in all I'll be needing 7 pages, and there are discontinuity in between which have been marked by the commas. So after looking at the other formats that you may require, you simply click on print, and then the Acrobat Reader will start processing it. It will flatten it and it will convert it, and soon you will so you will have to first select the destination where you want it. You select that and then just give it some name, and then you click on save. So then it will start processing, and let's wait for it. So you can see firstly that 7 pages have been extracted. I had extracted page number 2, which is the first page of our document, page number 2 as you can see. Then as we move down, we see page number 5. So in our discontinuity series, we had page 2 and then we had page 5 to 8. So now you will see page 5, 6, 7 and 8. And after that again there was a discontinuity and then we wanted from page 10. So the next one should be page 10 as you can see, and the last one is page 11, and here you come to the end of your document. So this is a very simple way where you can extract a few pages by just clicking on the print option. The same procedure we'll use for a Google PDF viewer. So here in my mail I have the same PDF, and here if I click on it, the Google PDF viewer is viewing it. So here on the print option I just click on it and it will open in a new tab. So now I will simply again click on print, and in over here again in destination is basically the alternative name for printer, which was you had seen the name was printer in case of Adobe Acrobat Reader, but in case of Google PDF viewer it is destination. And in destination you can simply select save as PDF, and in pages you can select custom pages, and here you can give the page numbers from which you want. So this time I'll try a different format. Say I want a single page 3, and then I want, say, from page 8 to page 12. So this is the format I want, and then you can select how many pages per sheet you want, and then you simply click on save. Again, they'll ask you for the destination, so give whatever destination you want. I'm giving extract 1 and I'm saving it. This the Google PDF viewer is quicker than Adobe Acrobat Reader as per me, so it has already saved it over here as extract 1. And when we open it, we can see that we have this single standalone page 3, and after that we'll have from page 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So it is exactly as per our needs. So similarly, you can extract as many number of pages as you wish. This is a very simple procedure and may come handy at times when you want to restrict your file size. Thank you so much. Hope you found this video informative. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll come up with more such videos very soon. Thank you.